Thinking of buying a car? Think again. Some brands might look shiny, but under the hood they're a complete disaster. Today we're exposing the 11 car brands you should absolutely avoid if you don't want to waste your money. Number 1. Nissan. Nissan once stood for reliability and excitement, but after merging with Renault, the brand's quality took a nosedive. Their vehicles are plagued by major issues, especially the CVT transmissions that often fail before 100,000 miles, costing thousands of dollars to fix. Popular models like the Sentra and Pathfinder suffer from engine oil leaks, excessive oil consumption, and transmission failures. Owners also report problems with outdated infotainment systems and constant recalls for safety defects. Even models like the Altima, once a bestseller, have seen sharp declines in customer satisfaction. Despite attractive prices on the used market, Nissans are often avoided due to costly repairs and poor long-term reliability. Experts recommend steering clear unless you plan on flipping the car quickly. Number 2. Land Rover. Land Rover might impress with luxury and off-road capability, but their reliability tells a different story. Owners frequently deal with leaking roofs, electrical faults, air suspension failures, and constant warning lights. Despite their premium image, these vehicles often struggle to reach 100,000 miles without expensive repairs. Maintenance costs are sky high, and resale values drop sharply within a few years. Number 3. Jeep. Jeep has a strong reputation for off-road prowess, but for daily driving, their vehicles fall short. Reliability ratings are consistently low across models like the Wrangler, Cherokee, and Compass. Common complaints include rough rides, poor handling, outdated tech, and serious mechanical problems like transmission and engine failures. Models like the Grand Cherokee have been recalled multiple times for serious safety concerns. Safety scores are mediocre, and ownership costs are higher than many competitors. Frequent repairs and poor build quality make Jeep a risky investment for long-term owners. Despite their adventurous image, many find Jeeps to be a maintenance nightmare. Number 4. General Motors GM. General Motors has produced some iconic vehicles, but many of their modern cars suffer from subpar build quality and recurring mechanical problems. Issues like cheap interior materials, premature rust, drive shaft vibrations, and electronic failures are widespread. Recalls over faulty ignition switches and transmission control modules have further damaged GM's reputation. Number 5. Chrysler. Chrysler's reputation for poor durability and cheap construction continues to haunt the brand. Vehicles like the Pacifica have been plagued with problems ranging from engine stalling to defective transmissions and battery failures. Interior materials feel flimsy, and rushed production has led to numerous recalls and frequent breakdowns. Even the Chrysler 300, a once-celebrated sedan, suffers from electrical glitches and suspension issues. Number 6. BMW. BMW offers strong performance and luxury appeal, but reliability is a major weakness. Frequent mechanical issues like oil leaks, cooling system failures, and fragile electronics lead to high ownership costs. Models such as the 328i and 335i have well-known problems with timing chains and turbochargers. Newer models still suffer from complex sensor and software failures. Repairs are expensive, and as BMWs age, maintenance becomes a financial burden. Dealerships are often slow to honor warranty claims, leaving many owners frustrated and out of pocket. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz used to be synonymous with bulletproof quality, but modern models are loaded with complicated technology that often fails over time. Common issues include air suspension malfunctions, premature rust, gearbox failures, and costly engine repairs. Even flagship models like the S-Class and E-Class have faced reliability concerns, especially after a few years of ownership. Luxury comes with a price, and maintenance for Mercedes vehicles is anything but affordable. Skipping scheduled services can lead to serious problems, and poor fuel economy further adds to the high cost of ownership. For many, the prestige simply doesn't outweigh the hassle. Number 8. Jaguar. Jaguar vehicles look stylish and sophisticated, but their mechanical reliability is among the worst in the industry. Frequent problems with diesel engines, infotainment systems, and electrical components make ownership stressful. Models like the XE and F-Pace often experience turbocharger and suspension failures early in life. Maintenance costs are significantly higher than average, and Jaguars experience more severe repairs compared to other luxury brands. Interiors also feel dated, and slow customer service adds to the frustration. Number 9. Volkswagen. Volkswagen's reputation has been heavily tarnished by expensive maintenance, frequent electrical issues, and the diesel emission scandal. Models like the Jetta and Passat suffer from sensor failures, software glitches, and complex mechanical designs that make repairs costly and time-consuming. Even newer models, like the Atlas, have been plagued by quality control issues. Imported parts drive up repair bills, and even minor issues can lead to extended downtime. Reliability ratings continue to lag behind competitors, making Volkswagen a less attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. While their driving dynamics are praised. Number 10. Audi. Audi vehicles combine eye-catching designs with premium interiors, but long-term reliability is poor. Frequent electronic malfunctions, failing fuel pumps, and costly repairs plague owners. Complex features like virtual cockpits and advanced driver assists often malfunction as vehicles age. The complexity of Audi's advanced technology often leads to high repair costs once warranties expire. Models like the Q5 and A4 are known for persistent warning lights, engine problems, and drivetrain issues. Number 11. Volvo. Volvo has a strong safety reputation, but reliability continues to be a weak spot. Modern Volvos, including the XC40, XC60, and XC90, suffer from electronic failures, climate control malfunctions, and engine management issues. Problems with the Sensus infotainment system and hybrid batteries are also common. Maintenance costs are higher than average, and electrical problems can quickly escalate into expensive repairs. Brake system failures and software glitches have triggered major recalls. Despite their comfortable ride and stylish design, Volvos often struggle to deliver worry-free ownership over the long term. Owners frequently find themselves caught between expensive service costs and frustrating reliability concerns. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next uploads. Drop a comment below. Which car brand would you never buy? See you next time, and drive safe.